Good morning, folks. This is the Ikea Sammanhang display box, display shelf. Maybe it's the right term. So I want to display some stuff at home, I think. Maybe I want to display this book. Maybe I want to display this Game of Thrones 3D chair, which I have not built yet. Maybe I want to display this shoe or this. Whatever I want to display, I can do it here, as long as it's not bigger than 30 x 30 centimeters or 29 x 29 centimeters. So it's gonna be a square cube. And I'm just gonna build it, and then I'm gonna modify it a bit with I'm not sure yet, but I want to have like some form of light in it, but I want it to be covered, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work out or how well that's gonna work out, but I'll probably figure out the way to do that. Or maybe using this. And if I don't succeed, I will be very sad, but I will survive. Let's build this. This is gonna be a bit of a challenge. Nej! Så. There we go, I think that's it. Yeah, they have like mounting it on the wall and everything, but I'm not gonna mount it on any wall today. Not today, sir. But what I want to do now is to see if I can put in lid somehow. Alright, cool. This was it. Took me about an hour to complete in total. Now that I know how I should have put the LED lights, It took me some time to figure out that this was the best location to have it. I think I will display it in both light and in darkness. So we'll see how well this LED light works. But overall, I think it's gonna work. Whoops. Yeah, so let's display some stuff. Okay, so this is the display box and this is how I made it. You can put things in it, like this book, or something you have made, and display it in a nice way. Yeah, simply because of that reason. You can display things that you like or that you have made in a nice way. And it's sort of, this one works as well as a lamp. So it's sort of like a night lamp too. And this is how I made one.